So in this step we are going to install Amazon Q developer for VS Code. So assuming that you have already installed VS Code, I'm going to install Amazon Q developer for VS Code. So all you have to do is to visit marketplace visualstudio.com, or there are some other ways, but I'm just showing the straightforward method, right? So thereafter all you have to do is you have to search Amazon Q. I will drop the link in this tutorial, right? So now you can click this here. Now click install. So you'll be prompted that this need to be open up in VS Code, so click OK. So now go to your VS Code. So now it will open up the extension here, so simply click install. Once it's installed, you can see here there is an icon Amazon Q, right? You can click now to use Amazon Q throughout this entire project or any repository. After that, when you use Amazon Q the very first time, you'll have to sign up with your Amazon Builder ID. So Amazon Q developer comes in two versions. One is the free version, the other one is the pro version. So if you are not, I'm assuming that we are going to use free version. So if you want to use free version, what we have to do is we have to create a free builder ID here. So you can come to this link and sign up with the builder ID. So using that you can sign up. Thereafter you'll be able to install, thereafter you'll be able to use Amazon Q.